Zurich, Switzerland, stands as a symbol of precision, prosperity, and quiet power. With a population of just over 400,000, this lakeside city blends global influence with small city charm. The people of Zurich reflect a mix of Swiss tradition and international energy, as more than a third of residents are foreign nationals, creating a diverse and multilingual community. German is the official language, yet English flows easily through its streets, banks, and universities. Consistently ranked among the cities with the highest standard of living in the world, Zurich offers clean air, low crime, efficient public services, and exceptional healthcare. Its infrastructure is world-class. Trams glide silently through the city, trains connect seamlessly across Switzerland and Europe, and Zurich Airport links the financial capital to the globe. Architecturally, Zurich balances medieval heritage with modern innovation. The narrow lanes of the Old Town, crowned by the iconic Grossmünster Towers, contrast with sleek glass headquarters along Bahnhofstrasse, one of the world's most exclusive shopping streets. Downtown Zurich is compact, yet powerful, where historic guildhouses stand beside global banking institutions. Economically, Zurich is Switzerland's financial heart. It hosts major banks like UBS and Credit Suisse, global insurance giants, and countless asset management firms. Zurich, Switzerland is shaped by both nature and history. Located in north-central Switzerland, it sits at the northern tip of Lake Zurich, where the Limmat River begins its journey toward the Rhine. Surrounded by rolling hills and distant Alpine peaks, the city enjoys a mild climate and fertile surroundings that helped early settlements thrive. Its geography made it a natural crossroads for trade between southern and northern Europe. Founded by the Romans as Turicum, Zurich grew through the Middle Ages into a powerful trading center. It joined the Swiss Confederation in 1351 and played a key role in regional politics. Although Switzerland remained neutral in major European wars, Zurich was affected by internal religious and political conflicts, especially during the Reformation led by Huldrych Zwingli in the 16th century. Today, Zurich reflects a blend of Protestant roots, Catholic heritage, and modern multicultural influences. Its cultural life thrives through museums, music, festivals, and literature. Famous figures connected to Zurich include Albert Einstein, who studied and worked here, writer James Joyce, and reformer Zwingli. Zurich attracts over 6 million visitors each year, drawn by its safety, beauty, and quality of life. Key attractions include the Old Town, Grossmünster Church, Lake Zurich cruises, Bahnhofstrasse, Kunsthaus Museum, and nearby Uetliberg Mountain.